Peugeot 307, and to remove airbag, steering wheel, mostly difficult is airbag if you don't know how. So I using like this Allen key, Torx T25, and I turn steering wheel like this, and here you can see a hole, and there you can see spring. Not spring, but like metal piece. And after you must push with metal piece, metal spring. Yes, like this, and you must feel like springing. And after it's picks out, my tool jumped out. So it is like this. You push your tool in this hole, and this hole is coming here, and you must push like this. Not like this, not like this, but you must from up to down, as you can see. And after you have pushed it, you must take it out, because it's a little tricky. It's not goes out self. Another side I have already done. So good luck and see you later.